What is going on, aquatic family? Eric here with Aquascape Gods, and today we're going to show you how to make that Wabi Kusa with the red plants that we showed in last week's video. Now, we had a couple of comments both on YouTube and Instagram asking us to show how we make it, so that's what today is, a little how-to. We have a step-by-step coming up right after I'm done chewing your ears off, right? But I just want to remind everybody, as always, if you like our content, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want to see more stuff like this, let us know down in the comment section below. Now, I'm not going to talk to you too much longer, all right? I don't want to get in the way of it all, but I hope you enjoyed this how to make a Wabi Kusa, and I'll see you at the end. Alright family, well, I hope you enjoyed today's how to make the Wabi Kusa with the red plants. If you did, please like this video, comment down below and let us know what you thought about it, and if you want to see more stuff like this in the future. And as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It helps us tremendously and we appreciate every single one of you. Until next week, my name is Eric with Aquascape Gods. Have a good day.